Is your car going to be eliminated from being able to drive
No.
Uber Comfort and Comfort Electric?
This is big. I don't know. I got like right an hour before the show. I got like 50 emails. My phone went off the, ding, ding, ding. I'm like, oh, something must be happening again.
Something's happening.
I'm pretty sure a bunch of you got this. So I got this from driver in Florida, driver in California, driver in New Jersey. And okay, so I don't know if you guys got this. I mean, my car is brand new, so I'm hoping my car stays on comfort. It's on comfort on both Lyft and Ubers. I didn't get this, but this is from drivers. So this one says, "Hi Terrence, we're reaching out to let you know about vehicle product eligibility. Okay, updates to the following premium and mid-tier products. Mid-tier comfort electric. Okay, as you know, we update our eligibility specifications each year to meet. As of January 15th, our new requirements will go into effect. Here's what you need to know. Your Toyota 2021 Toyota Sienna will remain eligible for mid-tier, which is comfort. But then after January 15th, 2025, with the 2021, you can't do comfort with the Sienna? Is this real? I mean, this has got to be a glitch, right? This can't be real. This is
I don't
bad.
know. I mean, the reality though is every year they send out these emails talking about what vehicles are eligible or not when it comes to comfort, because they only go like 4 or 5 years back.
I know.
And then they disqualify those cars, which honestly, I don't know why. I mean, my Jeep was more immaculate than when I picked it up because I always kept it clean, and it was 10 years old. People would get in the car and they'd be like, "Is this car new?" No, it's not car. It's 2013. Oh, wow. You keep it clean. Yeah, I keep it clean. That's why. So why they have this requirement of like 2 to 3 years for a car is beyond me. It makes no sense. And it seems like it's just get people in new cars because of whatever reason. But if people are actually taking care of their cars, then what the fuck does it matter?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
I got
an email from a 2023 Sienna driver. I mean, 2023.
Victoria, what is your... Why is that not working?
Huh. I don't know. I mean, this is bad. So Uber, I don't know. I haven't emailed you yet this, but if you really are doing this, we need to get the real list out. I got it from a driver who was driving a 2020 MKZ, Lincoln MKZ. I got it from a driver, mostly Sienna drivers for some reason. I don't know why. But if you have this going on, please email me and then I'll forward it to Uber. I can't hear you, buddy.
Huh?
Okay, I can hear you now. Okay.
Stupid rectum internet.
Okay. So anyway,
but
yeah,
where were we?
The like button. Okay. Anyway, so if you have seen this, please send it to me. And then this is another one. This is happening January 2015. This is another one, right? So this guy had a 2023 Sienna. Is this something happening with Siennas, bro?
I don't know. I mean, they're minivans, so they're large. I mean, they qualify for XL and XXL.
Well, yeah, but I mean, if you can't do comfort in a Sienna, what the heck are you going to do comfort in?
If you can't do it in a 2023 when it's only 2 years old, that's getting out of hand. That's ridiculous.
Well, yeah. No, I need to Uber. What's up? I got like 50 emails. I ain't your support. Take care of this. I don't know what this is. So I don't know. So if you people are going to ask me questions, I don't know. But I got literally like 50 emails and different states. So I'm hoping this is a glitch. This can't be real. So you get the email tomorrow. But anyway,
yeah, I don't know. Either way.
And the problem, my personal troll in San Diego, Chuckle F, Matt knows what I'm talking about. He drives a 2021 Sienna. So how are you going to defend Uber now, Chuckle F?
You are no longer comfort eligible.
Comfort eligible. Well, he does like a lot of. He sits home and picks up these like $150 comfort trips from freaking Oceanside to LAX. And then he goes, yeah, I'm making so much money. I'm like, yeah, okay, now what? No comfort. You're gonna do X with your little he nicknamed his car Dara. That's where that guy is. He's my fucking
Why, is he
troll.
gonna give Dara a ride?
Shit, bro. Whatever.
Or is Dara riding him?
Yeah, who cares? Whatever. Anyway, so if you guys have it, please email me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. If you did get it, please email me. So the more emails I have, the better, so I can send it all to Uber and say, hey, man, what the hell? Right.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Yeah, it's not, I mean, first of all, there's a couple of issues that I do want to clarify on this. The emails that we did get, it looks like Siennas are kind of the main culprit, even though there are other cars on there. But Sienna may be the main culprit. Maybe they're just getting rid of Sienna for whatever reason. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. It is
Sienna does
like
Excel,
it's a minivan. It's a freaking
It does Excel, right? You can do Excel.
Yeah, it's a minivan.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have the third row there. You got what, 7 seats or something?
If you do Excel, why do you not do comfort?
Yeah, right. So either way, but yes, they do also send as like 3 to 5 years old doesn't qualify for comfort anymore, which makes no sense. I don't think it does. Should be that way. I think basically, as long as the car is in great condition and always being cleaned, which most people, especially, are watching, keep their cars clean. There's a lot of people that just drive junk cars to begin with, but that's the reality. Then, one of the emails that we got, we want to address is saying that they're getting rid of Comfort Electric. That's not the case. They're not getting rid of Comfort or Comfort Electric. They're not getting rid of XL. They're not getting rid of any of these different tiers unless they actually say we're getting rid of this particular tier. But all of those are actually well used and well established, and I think pretty much going to be staying for a long time. What's happening is your vehicle will not meet the criteria for being able to do that particular trip anymore. So as of January 15th or whatever the day they said, double check. Yeah, January 15th of 25. Then you're not going to be able to use your car for that anymore, which sucks. It's stupid. And hopefully some of these, especially a 2023 Toyota Sienna that's only 2 years old at that, not even. I mean, you're starting 2025. So, like, come on.
I agree. I agree, Matt. That's Matt. They do it, bro. They do it. I swear to God. Me and Chris know more than you guys will ever know. You think they took a screenshot?
Let me tell you something. Here's what Matt. I think what Matt's trying to get is they're trying to do it a couple hours before the show, but we already catch wind of it, so we're able to put it into the show. And so they're trying to it's Tuesday, so we're gonna roll it out on Tuesday just before the show.
Slide it under.
Get it in, and then they have to wait until next week. No. We'll get it in there right before.
I'm telling you, bro. You guys took a screenshot of this, or do I have to send this to you guys? Huh? You did? Okay, cool. Anyway, but no, please email me, seriously, Sergio@therideshareguy.com, because I want to know, and I want to send it to Uber. I go, this is bullshit. Like, I mean, you can you imagine? You can only do XL and X in the 2023 Sienna.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, I'm sorry, your car's not new enough because of whatever reason.
What the fuck is
Sounds
that?
like they either are prejudiced against Sienna or something. I don't know. Maybe maybe he's just like, I don't like minivans. I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.